Experience the disinfection difference from Green Home Solutions. Our hospital-grade disinfection service is a revolutionary three-step disinfection system, ensuring exceptional cleanliness and long-lasting protection. Look at this popular disinfecting bleach. It kills 99.9% of germs. What does that mean? If you have 1 million microbes per square inch and disinfect with this bleach, 100,000 microbes survive. In contrast, Green Home Solutions disinfectant is 99.9999% effective. After disinfecting with our product, only 1 microbe might survive out of a million. Post-disinfection, we spray 20 billion probiotic bacteria into the treated area. These good bacteria engulf, overwhelm, and digest the remaining harmful bacteria, staying effective for up to 90 days. Finally, we apply BioShield 75 to high-touch areas, forming an invisible protective membrane that is odorless, colorless, and undetectable by touch. BioShield 75 is a revolutionary broad-spectrum antimicrobial that protects against bacteria, mold, mildew, algae, and fungi. This comprehensive three-step system from Green Home Solutions ensures long-lasting disinfection, continuous microbial protection, and a healthier living space for all.